Hey, welcome back to Brian's Knives. Thanks for joining me again today. For this episode, I thought I would show off this Ontario rat model number 1. This comes in S35VN steel. It's got the G10 red scales on it. Really nicely done, I think. Really nice belt clip there as well, or pocket clip. Of course, it has the dual thumb studs on it. It is a liner lock, as you can see there, which is one of my favorites for a folding knife. The pocket clip is reversible, so if you would rather carry it the other way in your pocket, you can, which is also a nice little feature. It came relatively sharp. A few strokes on the work sharp field sharpener took care of that, and now it's really quite sharp. It has a nice drop point blade there, as you can see. Let's see if I can. So much reflection on that blade. But yeah, I think a very handsome knife overall. And you know, it's larger, but I don't really mind packing this guy. I put him in my right front pocket, and he does just fine right there. So just doing a little tour here of the knife. I did get me a macro lens for my camera, which is a big help, making my life a lot easier as far as the video goes. So I'm pretty happy about that. Let's see, the handle length, it looks like, is 5 inches long. Let me see if it tells me. Yeah. And the blade length is 3.625 inches on the blade here. Looks like the cutting edge, so you know, this part of a blade is at 3.375 inches. It's got the satin finish on it. And then it comes, as it sets right now, it's going to be a tip down pocket carry. But like I mentioned earlier, you can definitely reverse that and change it around. But it's just a really nice knife, super sturdy. I can see why that these rat knives have been pretty popular, especially with the bushcraft folks. I mean, that's quite a heavy-duty blade right there, for sure. The knife weighs just a little bit over 5 ounces, so I don't think that's bad at all for the size of knife that it actually is. So let me see if I have something we can compare it with. So let's see here. So here's my Delica, Spyderco Delica, that I carry quite a bit. So you can tell quite a bit larger than that guy. And let me see, I think I have my Buck 110 right here. So let's lay him out there in comparison as well. Maybe we'll do it like this. And so yeah, it's much more comparable to the Buck in size than to the Spyderco. So just to give you an idea there. So nice little knife. I think they maybe even have come down in price a little bit since I bought this one. I was just looking, I think Blade HQ has them, and they're $99. So not bad at all for such a functional knife. All right, guys, that's about, I think, it for this guy. I appreciate you watching so much. And as always, if you like the content on my channel here, please share it. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate the support. Feel free to leave comments. I love to see what people think about knives that we feature on here. And so anything you can do like that supports us is a big help. Just notice I had the box laying here too for that guy. Oh yeah, and it is made in Taiwan. I probably should have mentioned that, but just a great knife. Love it. Love having it, and glad it can be part of my collection. All right, guys. Well, you take care. Thanks so much for watching. God bless each one of you, and have a great day. All right. Bye-bye.